Hello friends, Jai Sri Ram. Currently, there is a word circulating in non-BJP political circles of India. The word is that BJP is having some washing machine. The moment they spot a corrupt person from any party, they pick him up, they trap him, put him in washing machine, cleanse him, and put him in proper position. That's how it works. Is this true? And if it is true, I think this is true. If it is true, then why not? Huh? If the society is getting cleansed this way, then why not continue with this washing machine? Hmm? Because these cleansed people never dare again to do any corruption. See, I had heard a story. There was a great freedom fighter from Congress in 1940s and 50s. He was a great freedom fighter. He was devoted to nation. Then after India got freedom, his son was there. He was also devotee of his father. Few days later, his father died. This freedom fighter died. His son came into politics, but he stayed stuck to his father's ideology. He never did any corruption. He walked on footprints of his father. So then after a few years, he had a son. And seeing his father's worship and gratitude and honor in the mind of his father about his grandpa, he made a plan. He kept on insisting his father. One day he told his father, "Dad, our grandpa was such a great person. Why not raise a great memorial that will spread image of our father, a grandpa, across length and breadth of the nation? Let's do that." His father outrightly refused. Why? His father said, see beta, my father's memorial is not necessary, because his image in Indians' heart, people's heart, is enough for being called as memorial. No separate memorial is needed. Okay, then his son didn't give up. He kept on insisting for very long, and finally he succeeded influencing his father. His father gave his consent. Okay, son, go ahead. And he started for a grand memorial of his grandpa. Started land acquisition. He ordered full silver statue, lakhs of trees, hundreds of acres of land. Things started taking shape, and one day, a news struck to his father. What was that news? His son was caught in the corruption of crores of rupees in this raising statue and memorial of his grandpa. Father could not bear this. He could not bear. He got heart attack, and he died of that heart attack. And son went behind bars. Those were the adolescent congressmen in 1960s or 70s. Today's generation of Congress people is in its or above adolescence, and they know nothing other than eating money. They know only eating money. BJP must be having some goal. BJP is having goal. They say BJP is having hidden agenda of Hindu Rashtra. Okay, but they are having some goal. You don't have any goal. Huh? What is your goal? Secularism. Muslim centric secularism. We are seculars too, yeah? Huh? Come on, we are seculars too. We go to Buddha stupas. We visit Jain mandirs. We go to gurudwaras. We go to even church. We pay our obeisance there. And what secularism you are speaking about? Huh? Your secularism is fully Islam centric. Huh? So, today's generation of Congress people have no goal. They just want to grab power. Region-wise Jagirdars, they have Jagirdars. Jagirdars in Maharashtra, Jagirdar in Orissa, Jagirdar in Bihar, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, everywhere there are Jagirdars and their generations and nepotism. So they have no goals. So this cleansing process is needed. There is a threat. Come in or you will be thrashed by CBI, ED, etc., IT. Once he enters BJP, then he is never allowed to do corruption. So he is cleansed. That's how the cleansing process is going on. And that is most needed cleansing process. Let it be the journey towards Hindu Rashtra. We don't mind. No Hindu will object that. Thank you.